Welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute baby elephant step by step. Grab your pencils and let's get started. First, let's begin with the head. Draw a large round circle for the head. Baby elephants have big round heads that make them look extra adorable. Next, add the ears. Draw two large floppy ears on either side of the head. Baby elephant ears are usually large in proportion to their heads, so make sure they are big and round. Now let's draw the trunk. Start at the bottom center of the head and draw a short curved line extending downwards. Baby elephants have shorter, stubbier trunks compared to adults. For the body, draw a large oval shape beneath the head. Baby elephants have big round bodies, so make sure to make this shape large and a bit chubby. Now let's add the legs. Draw four short, thick legs under the body. Remember, baby elephants have sturdy legs, so make them wide and short. Add some small round shapes at the end of each leg for the feet. Next, draw the tusks. Baby elephants usually have very small or barely visible tusks. You can draw small curved lines near the trunk if you want to include them or leave them out for a more baby-like appearance. Don't forget to add the eyes and the details on the ears and trunk. Draw two large round circles for the eyes to give your baby elephant a cute wide-eyed look. If you want to draw, add some gentle wrinkles on the trunk and ears for a bit of texture. Finally, let's add a little tail. Draw a small thin tail at the back of the body with a tiny tuft of hair at the end. And there you have it. You have just drawn a cute baby elephant. Don't forget to add any final details and shade in your drawing to bring your baby elephant to life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Artistic Adventures by Rosie for more drawing tutorials. See you next time.